I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to transfer your balance to a new SIM on Orange, follow these steps to make it easy. Step 1. Check your current balance. Before you start the transfer, make sure you know how much balance you have on your old SIM. You can do this by dialing a specific code or checking your account online. Step 2. Insert your new SIM. Take your new SIM card and insert it into your phone. Make sure your phone is powered off when you do this to avoid any issues. Step 3. Access the balance transfer option. Once your new SIM is active, navigate to the balance transfer option in your phone's menu. This is usually found under Services or Account. Step 4. Enter the transfer code. You will need to enter the specific code for transferring balance. This code can vary, so check Orange's website or customer service for the latest information. Note, if you enter the wrong code, you might get an error message on your screen. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. After entering the code, confirm the transfer by following the prompts. You should receive a confirmation message once the balance has been successfully transferred. That's it. You should now have your balance transferred to your new SIM. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Orange customer support for assistance. Happy calling!